Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. So today we are talking about how to get a job in MNC and what are the basic requirements to crack a job in MNC. 1. The candidate should know how to communicate in English language. He can use the simple English words to play the conversation, but yeah, it should be communicative. Number 2. Basic computer is not enough. You should at least know about some advanced computer courses like advanced Excel, PowerPoint presentation, some troubleshooting like sound issues and if the system is hang. So this gives little indication to the interviewer that this person is little bit technical, also very good. Number 3, you must be a graduate candidate. Majority of the MNC hires graduate candidate. It's not like if you are 12 pass you can't hire, but yeah, majority of they hire a graduate. Number 4, in your educational background there should not be any gap between your 10th to graduation. This gives a clear signal to the interviewer that you are a consistent person in your life. Number 5, if you dedicatedly wanted to join a MNC, so after completion of your education, please don't gap directly join MNC because they prefer the person who has no gapping. So avoid gapping. One free tip, make your Aadhaar and PAN card. That is also a mandatory document.